How to check blocked contacts on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your blocked contacts on an iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap Profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Privacy. Then tap on Contacts. Scroll down and tap Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of all the contacts and phone numbers you've blocked on WhatsApp. If you want to unblock someone, tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the contact you want to unblock, then tap Unblock. You can also open a blocked contact and tap Unblock Contact if that option appears. Once you unblock the person, they can contact you on WhatsApp again, depending on your other privacy settings. And that's it. That's how you can check and manage blocked contacts on WhatsApp for iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful WhatsApp and iPhone tutorials.